Morning announcements
on WDMS News.
Today is September 17, 2013, 8 a.m. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectfful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated.
Let's find out what happened on this date in history.
Here's a look at this day in history. September 17th.
In 1787, delegates signed the new U.S. Constitution at the close of the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia. Today in 1939, the Soviets invaded Poland. Germany had already attacked from the west. The two nations had signed a non-aggression pact which had a secret clause allowing the Soviets to eat up the eastern portion of Poland. In 1994, Heather Whitestone became the first deaf woman to wear the Miss America crown. And on this day in 1862, the bloodiest one-day battle in American history took place. Robert E. Lee's army fought the Union Army to a standstill at Antietam Creek in Maryland. By nightfall, nearly 4,000 soldiers were dead, and Lee retreated. And that's this day in history.
Today's math problem is the quantity of 9 minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 63 plus 5. Please be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it. And here's the word of the day.
The word of the day is nonchalant. Giving his speech to the class, Devin spoke loudly and confidently to appear calm and nonchalant. He even made jokes. No one guessed he was nervous. Again, the word of the day is nonchalant.
Let's get a check on the weather from Jasper.
The weather today is sunny and cool. Highs in the mid 66 to 71 degrees. Winds blowing northeast 6 to 12 miles per hour. So wear a jacket because it's going to be cold. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Jasper. Ms. Santo Domingo's Math 4 class will report in room 101 for math testing today, not the library computer lab. I repeat, Ms. Santo Domingo's Mod 4-5 class will report in room 101 for math testing today, not in the library computer lab. Future Educators of America Club start Thursday, September 26th from 3 to 4 in room 305, Ms. Miles. All students who are interested, please see Ms. Miles to get a permission slip. If you cannot come to Ms. Miles' classroom, you may place a note in her mailbox. Become a contributor to the Dundalk Middle School newspaper, The Owlet. Meetings are on Wednesdays in room 301 starting September 25th with Ms. Wojcik and Ms. Goldcamp. Student Council with Mr. Mafletto and Ms. Mullen. Join us in room 207 Wednesdays at 3 This semester's focus is hunger. Art Club. Art Club will meet after school on Thursdays starting next week. See Ms. Lennihan in room 203 if you're interested in joining. The DMS Step Team Interest Meeting will be Tuesday, September 17th, immediately after school. All are welcome. See Ms. Brightful or Ms. Corsini with any questions. And now Ms. Birch for a special announcement.
Good morning, 8th graders. This announcement is for all 8th graders interested in attending the Magnet School Expo. Students who are interested need to see Ms. Roberts or come to guidance to get a permission slip, as Dundalk Middle is providing transportation to the expo.
Thank you. And now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Isaiah Shulman with a few words of wisdom. We've all heard the saying, every cloud has a silver lining. True enough, but the silver lining isn't always easy to see. Sometimes we have to take a good, hard look behind, around, and over the dark cloud in order to understand what good might come out of a bad situation. William Sorian, American playwright and novelist, says, "Good people are good because they've come to wisdom through failure." When we learn from our mistakes, the wisdom we gain is the silver lining. So let's be wise people and let each failure and each mistake be an opportunity to learn and grow. Today, keep a positive attitude and look for the good even in bad situations. With something to think about, this is Isaiah Stroman making a great day or not. The choice is yours.
And here's Mr. Barish.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. Students, please make sure that you are reviewing your progress on Edline. Edline is our website in which you can find out what's going on at Dundalk Middle School. It's important that you, again, make sure your account is activated. If it's not activated, please make sure that you see Miss Gibson and she can help. Make sure that you have an Edline activation. It's a great resource and tool so you can also check your homework every night. Your homework is posted on there daily, as well as your grades in all of your classes, and it also has the different clubs and different events and information that we have pertaining to Dundalk Middle School. Also, students, please encourage your parents, if they have smartphones, to download the app, the Twitter app. Some of you and parents might already have it. Download the Twitter app, and you can follow us at Dundalk MS to find out the latest information as to what's going on at Dundalk Middle School. Remember, at Dundalk Middle School, we want to make sure we are demonstrating outstanding attendance. We want to make sure that you're coming to school with a positive attitude and that you're willing and able to apply yourself. And as Team DMS, we will do whatever it takes to ensure success in school and in life, and to make sure you graduate so you are a globally competitive graduate. So because you are going to be competing one day, students, when you're looking for jobs, not just against people in Dundalk or Baltimore County or in the state of Maryland or in the U.S., you're going to be competing for the same jobs with people from all over the world. So it's important that you do whatever it takes to make sure you are ready so you can be successful in school and in life. Thank you.
This is Jennifer
And Isaiah, reminding you to stay classy, Dundalk Middle School.